Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody's trying to create a seal. I removed all the other information because it was kind of personal, family type deal, but they wanted to create a lines of like this, and there's probably several ways you could do this, but I think the easiest way is I just took a 24-inch line, 24, and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then I just took a square. And I don't really think it really matters. It didn't matter to him what size the deal was. I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees to kind of get it on an angle. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, which doesn't really matter. But then I can move it up and put it to the top. Might have to set my nudge factor a little. I don't really think it matters, but I'm going to set my nudge factor on something like 0.01. I'm going to nudge this up to where the corners meet. And then I am going to double click on it and put the rotation to the center. And then I open up Windows, Dockers, Transform, and Rotation, and I'm going to rotate it. I don't know how many it needs, but you can't put too many if it's divisible by 360. So I'm just going to hit apply. See, we went that far past, but it doesn't matter. Just put them on top. Now I'm going to move my circle away, see if I can't grab the ellipse and hit delete. And then all you have to do is grab all this and weld it. And then you have jagged lines on both sides. Mine's a little thicker than the first one I made. I probably made the square bigger. But then you could fill that in and make your seal. And like I said, it doesn't matter how many you did, as long as it's divisible. And I kind of figured that out. So let's make our star a little bit bigger this time. Just a hair. If I hold down the shift button, it'll grow from the outside. Our rotation moved, so we need to put it in the center. Click off of it, make sure it's there. Rotate that 2 degrees. And then, I don't even know if you have to move the line out of the way. Let's try it without. And yeah, see, if we don't take the line away, it does that. So what we need to do is take the line away, try to grab the line, and you'll see it'll see it because you're bounding box, and then you can hit delete. And then grab the whole thing and weld it, and then fill it in with whatever color you wish. And you've got a jagged edge. And he's got some other stuff in here. It's pretty cool what he could do with this to make a seal like a family crest type deal. But anyway, hope that helped them a little bit.